Today we're going to adjust the CMC, the clutch master cylinder, on my 2006 Honda Civic SI. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and turn on some lights down here so we can have more view. The tools you'll be needing will be a 12 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and needle nose, and maybe a flashlight to get more of a better view of what's going on down there. So here is our pedals. Here's the clutch. And here's the adjustment. There's the clutch master cylinder right there. So what we're going to do is use the 17 to loosen this up. But before we do that, we're going to use the needle nose. We're going to use the needle nose to press right in here and pull this out. That loosens up all our connections down here. Alright, next thing we're going to do is remove, I already have it out, but we're going to remove the pigtail from here, just like so. Now we're going to use our 17 to loosen this up. I already adjusted mine, but I'm just showing you guys how to do it. After you have this up loosened, you're going to turn counterclockwise, which is to the left. That way you're able to screw out. And the way you want it is you want it set a very tight angle in here. Alright, so I'm trying to get underneath from here. And you can see there, my freaking phone is too big. There it is. The threads are like barely showing. Try to focus on there. There it is. It's 1, 2, and 3 threads. And that's where you want to adjust it. Then tighten this nut back again. After you do that, we're going to adjust. Oh man, it's so tight in here. This here, there's a nut back here. And we're going to back this up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn counterclockwise towards the left. That way it drives this pedal counterclockwise. It drives it out all the way. You'll feel it loose. And then what you want to do is turn it counterclockwise to where the pedal meets. Gosh, I can't even fit my phone. Where the pedal meets right here. And then you want to tighten that up. And you're set. You plug everything back in. Jesus Christ, sorry, I'm on my back. And I'm a pretty big boy, so that shit hurts. You plug everything back in, you tighten this down, you tighten that down, and you could feel, there it is. It's just the perfect amount. And then when you press in, you release, and then it engages, and you grab. So when I'm clutching in, I already took it for a drive. Before, I used to have it where I'm barely coming off the ground. Like there, it engages. So, sorry, my kids are playing hide and go seek. So before, I used to have it to where it engages down here. Now the engagement point is like right there. You can actually feel it right there. It's like where it engages now. So I have this much extra clutch travel, so I don't grind. And that's essentially what you want. You want extra travel so you could release that clutch and throw in the gears incorrectly. I was starting to grind on second. I'm sure my clutch is wearing out. Maybe that's why, because it's the second time I'm adjusting and now making a video. Right there is perfect. I took it for a spin and it's excellent. Once you adjust this, you will feel the difference. I adjusted it, and when I first did it, the engagement was like way out here, but now it's down here. So technically it's the third time I had to adjust it. You'll adjust it, you'll see what I'm talking about. As soon as you adjust it, you'll feel a difference in the clutch. So what you want is the extra little treble, so you're able to disengage the gear correctly and engage it the right way. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.